Lumela, Sanbonani, hello, hundreds, Komasava. Hi guys, how's it going? My name is Kupana Okosi Aquino. I'm an industrial designer and the founder of Urban Design Enterprises. The point of this video is to show you beautiful panel, 3 designs I did throughout the year 2019. Hopefully you really get some good feedback, of course. Feel free to ask any questions at the end and yeah, let's get it, let's enjoy this.
Kopano Outdoor Gaming Station consists of the brief, research process, design process, and the design outcome. Project 1 was inspired by Maslow's hierarchy of needs, which is aimed at creating a sense of belonging for bus users at Gandhi Square. The design research process was fueled by observations and immersion within the space through conversations and interviews with bus commuters, which introduced the design process, leading to the design strategy to provide an engaging system aiding in the sense of belonging and compensates for long waits. I looked at existing interactive bus terminals for inspiration. I communicated and explored my inspiration through concept sketches, which led me to my product design outcome. Which consists of a built-in soccer interactive game called Kopano, mounted to the ground by M5 industrial bolts and has a total of 19 parts. Polyurethane rotation molded body with a 20 mm wall thickness and a 1 mm tolerance. Scale. Education Campus Sculpture Project 2 African Intellect consists of the brief, design research, design process, and design outcome. The fourth year industrial design students were briefed to incorporate our industrial design skills into the Dublin Soweto Education Campus, which is an initiative done by Growing Up Africa aimed at uplifting education. I began my design research process by digging deep and understanding the history of education in Soweto, which inspired me in looking at current education upliftment efforts and education through arts and culture, aimed at uplifting decolonized mindsets. My design research began with a design strategy to provide a design of an outdoor sculpture aimed at embracing decolonized education and a token of inspiration. I looked at existing African sculptures for design inspiration. I also looked at African laser cutouts and human brain cutouts for design inspiration as well. I applied my research design and design inspiration into concept sketches. Immense iterating and refinement, the product design outcome resulted in a beautiful bespoke sculpture design. Structurally supported by stainless steel welded rods. I use CAD to communicate the assembly. Cut pieces are galvanized for finish protection and aesthetics. The sculpture is held in place by a 1,500 meter deep foundation. The human-centered design of a point-of-payment device to improve the money security and management of street vendors in Johannesburg. Oreka point-of-payment device consists of problem opportunity, aims objectives, research methodologies, and product design outcome. Johannesburg has one of the highest crime rates on the entire planet, which directly affects the money management and security of informal businesses and street vendors in Johannesburg. The opportunity is South Africa's informal business economy contributes about 4.1 billion rand annually, which makes about 27% of our GDP. We introduce a human-centered design of a portable handheld point-of-payment device for street vendors and small businesses in Johannesburg to improve on their money security and management. This device will work with an interactive digital ecosystem that enables the user to purchase goods and services and receive digital currency. This system is called Oreka. For my design research methodologies, I used the human-centered design approach. I gathered 4 different informal business participants from Johannesburg with different business models With all their consent, I interviewed each of them using the human-centered design 5 whys method and the conversation starter. That helped me ignite conversations about their money security and management, and if a point-of-payment machine will fit into their business model and improve on their security. Ideation phase. I took inspiration from existing South African payment devices and feedback from my interviews and designed 3 concepts that consider aspects of portability, usability, and scale, to which I showed the participants for their feedback. On the feedback, I came up with a finalized concept. I then rapid prototyped 2 full mockups for user testing, which I tested on the participants for more feedback. I explored internal electronics. For my implementation, I took all the participants' feedback and my design sketch refinements into CAD, where I further refined.